Good morning students, welcome back to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Students, let's start with one of our another chapter, that is India after independence. Now first of all, what we are going to study, we are going to study about a new and divided nation, Constitution of India, state formations, planning for development, nation after 60 years. So let's see what is there. So our first heading is a new and divided nation. What does it mean? It means that though we gained independence, but we were not in the situation of enjoying that pleasure or that happiness for a long time. Why? Because we gained this independence in two parts. That is, India got splitted as India and Pakistan. So that pain of separation was clearly seen our eyes. That is why we said that in the newly framed independent nation, that is India, that was a divided nation. Now our next topic is Constitution of India. Now when we gained independence, one constituent assembly was formed, and this was very much clear that there are certain fundamental rights that needs to be provided to the citizen of the nation or of the country in order to protect themselves from being humiliated, from being exploited in any of the way. So the Constituent Assembly framed the Constitution of India, which provide various fundamental rights and fundamental duties to its citizens. Thereafter, what we found? We found many new states. The old Indian map, its complete political formation, political boundaries got changed. New states started coming into existence. Now the question is, what were these new states? Firstly, if we talk about Andhra Pradesh, before independence, as you know that the Indian National Congress, being one of the most prominent party in India at that time, it promised its citizens that if the Indian people are going to support the Indian National Congress, then after achieving the independence, the Congress is going to frame states on the basis of linguistic lines. That same thing happens when the Constitution of India was being written. This concept came into existence that we should frame the states on the basis of linguistic line. At that moment, other members of the Constituent Assembly declined this thing. They denied that already India is split into two parts and now we can't afford further division. And that is why that was not opted. Now what happened? You see, very simple thing is there, student. If the teacher promised you something and that thing won't fulfill, what will you say? That ma'am, you promised, you have to get it done, right? That same thing is happening here. When people, they were having this hope, yes, that they are going to get their states on the basis of languages, there occurs the situation of rights at many different places. And especially if we talk about the case of Andhra Pradesh, there was one person, that is Poti Sri Ramalu. He went on hunger strike and he said he want Andhra at any cost. And finally, as he was on hunger strike for many days, he died in that accident, and thereafter all his followers demanded that they want Andhra Pradesh. At the end, government was forced to form Andhra Pradesh. Now after the formation of Andhra Pradesh, other states also, like if we talk about the case of Haryana and Punjab, which were one part only earlier, they also started saying that in Haryana two part of people are there, one who are speaking Hindi language, one who are speaking Haryanvi language, and another part is there those who are speaking most of the Punjabi language. So they also started demanding the separation of Haryana and Punjab. So at that time, what we found, a new state came into existence, and that was your Haryana. Then our next topic is planning for development. When all this thing was done completely, we got settled, refugees got settled, all the problems were overcome, then finally it was decided that we need to boost up, we need to build up the economic development of the nation. So at that time, a particular commission called a planning commission was set up, and it was circulated to the planning commission that the planning commission is going to set up 5-year plans, and each 5-year plans would focus on a particular issue, to tackle a particular issue in the country. So we observe that the first 5 In 2007, we completed 60 years of our independence. When we got independence, Britishers were saying that India was not such a nation. They were not capable of achieving the independence. They won't be able to handle themselves, as India is one of the nation with a different culture, with a different religion, different caste, and so more complexity is there in India. But as we enjoyed 60 years independence, we proved all those people wrong. And that's it about the chapter. Hope you understand the chapter very well. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care and stay safe, all of you. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.